Welcome to the Learning Pines YouTube. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to buy crypto on Tangem wallet. First, download the Tangem app from your device's app store. Once installed, activate your Tangem card by simply tapping it to your smartphone. This process usually takes less than 30 seconds. Next, create a secure wallet backup to protect your digital assets. This crucial step ensures your funds are safe, even if your card is lost. Now, open the Tangem app and select the cryptocurrency you wish to purchase from the available list. You will then choose a supported third-party exchange directly within the app interface. There are typically several options, each offering different rates and fees. Take a moment to compare these to ensure you get the best value for your transaction. This comparison can save you a significant amount. Next, enter the exact amount of cryptocurrency you want to buy or the fiat currency amount you wish to spend. The app will display the estimated crypto you will receive. Carefully review all transaction details, including the amount, fees, and the final total. Once you are satisfied, authorize the purchase by tapping your Tangem card to your phone one more time. This confirms your intent. After successful authorization, your purchased cryptocurrency will typically appear in your Tangem wallet within a few minutes. You can then easily send, receive, or even swap your digital assets directly within the Tangem app. Remember, your Tangem card is your key to your funds, so always keep it in a safe and secure location. Consider it as valuable as physical cash.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.